Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. Here we'll be discussing some more about programming. In the previous video you saw just printing some messages. So whatever I'm gonna tell you the basic concept. When we run the program, the compiler immediately goes to the main function. This is a function, and whatever it is in the main function, it follows that. So what can we put it? First of all, let me introduce to the concept of variables. Variables are something such as some names in which we can assign some values. For example, if you want to assign a number to an integer, a number to any variable, so then we'll use int a equal to that number. That is 5 for me right now. So int is the data type which is used for an integer. Similarly, if you want to get a floating point number, that means a decimal number, we can use float. Make sure that in a program you don't use the same variable name, that is the identifier name, twice. It's b equal to 4.5. It is just, let's make it a habit. Whenever you use float, we use an letter f just after the number which we are writing. So what can we do with this? So we have created two variables, and how can we print these variables? We can, if we really want to write print 5 here, then we can write the 5 in within the double quotes, but it will print 5. But the problem is, whatever we want to print, whatever is in the variable. But if we write here a, it will not print 5, it will basically print an a. Let me show you this. See, an A is printed. The concept is whatever is within the double quotes, that thing exactly is printed, but there are some exceptions. So the exceptions are basically format specifiers and escape sequence character. Let me tell you what they are. First of all, I'll be discussing the format specifier. So here we want to print the value of A or the value of B. So we can write percentage %d. Then after this double quotes is ended, we can write a comma and then the variable name such as a. So basically what it does is, the wherever it finds percentage %a, it is replaced by the next variable which is inputted or written just after the comma mark, after the double quotes had ended. As if I write double space is a, and this is the program. This percentage %d will be replaced by a, and then the program will execute as normal. Let's see that. 5 is a. Cool, right? So that this d is the format specifier for an integer. For example, if we write b over here, this will throw an error. Perhaps it should throw an error. 0 is a. It didn't throw an error in this environment, but it can and it will throw an error in other environments. So this is not practiced at all. This is a programming mistake. Percentage %d is the format specifier for an integer. For a float value, you use percentage %f and write b over here, since b is the variable for that float variable. So this precision value is taken by default. You can use some different techniques to resolve it, but you can search that on internet. I won't be going deep into it because it's generally not required until you are coding for something specifically you have given this task. Okay, then what else? We can assign a character. What is a character? Character is basic one bit of anything. For example, I'm writing this a. This a is a character. This b is a character. Even this space is a character. Underscore is a character. 9 is character. 8 is character. Anything that is a character can be stored in a char, but it shouldn't be a single thing. So char c, we have given the variable name as c, equal to something, as if characters are always put under single quotes, as if a, sorry, a. So but to print character, any guesses? Obviously c. C will be used as this. A is A, okay. But the thing is, every character has an associated digit number to it. What's the concept? The thing is, there's a code called ASCII, ASCII, code assigned with every character. So, character can be interchanged with number at any time we want. It can be used in mathematical operations as well. For example, if we replace it with percentage %d, we are printing a character but in the number format. So it will print 97, I suppose, because 97 is the ASCII value for small a. 97 is a, okay, cool. Similarly, if we are using a capital A instead of small a, this will print 65 is capital A, because the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Capital A is 60. 65 is capital A. Cool, right? So this is for the video. Thank you so much for watching this.